Welcome back! Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make Chinese New Year recipe steamed eggplant and tofu. Hope you like it. Eggplants are long and thin, so people use homophonic words to symbolize longevity. Eggplants also have another meaning, which is to wish a person a high position. Tofu symbolizes blessing and health. Its homonym in blessings. Wealth is an expression of the working people's wish for good health, happiness, and prosperity in the coming year. This dish is named Wealth and Promotion. I make it for my family during the new year and hope that everyone will be rich and promoted. Ingredients: silk tofu, eggplant, chopped garlic, spring onion. Dice the green onion and set aside. The white part can be reserved for other uses. Only the green part is needed. Wash and cut the eggplant into strips. Place silk tofu on steam plate and cut into thin pieces. Arrange eggplant around silk tofu. Eggplant and tofu are ready to be steamed. Steam for approximately 15 minutes. While the tofu is steaming, you can roast the minced garlic until crispy. I use an air fryer to bake it. Of course, you can slowly fry with wok or pan until it turns golden brown. Smells so good! Eggplant tofu is done. Remove excess water from the plate. Place roasted garlic all on tofu. Drizzle soy sauce. Drizzle sesame oil. Garnish with onion green. Prosperity and promotion tofu is ready to be eaten. This recipe is refreshing and not greasy. During the new year, most people eat a lot of fish and meat, so it's nice to have a steamed dish to change the taste. When I made this recipe, I forgot to process the eggplant first, so the color was not beautiful. In fact, the method of processing is also very simple. To prevent eggplant from being oxidized, do not steam it directly after cutting it. You need to do one more step, which is to soak it in light salt water. Many people say that you can soak it in white vinegar, which is wrong, but you can soak it in lemon juice. Lemon juice contains a lot of vitamin C, which has reducing properties and can reduce the oxidized brown part into phenols, so that the eggplant will not change color. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Eggplant is a high-fiber, low-calorie food that is rich in nutrients and comes with many potential health benefits. From reducing the risk of heart disease to helping with blood sugar control and weight loss, eggplants are a simple and delicious addition to any healthy diet. CB6. The fiber, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and antioxidants in eggplants all support heart health. Tofu also contains all the essential amino acids your body needs and is rich in minerals and vitamins, including calcium, manganese, iron, and vitamin A. Tofu and other soy foods also a primary source of isoflavones. Those are flavonoids, plant-created chemicals that are associated with a variety of health benefits. What is the best time to eat tofu? Tofu can be consumed at any time of the day and is suitable for regular consumption as part of a balanced diet. Tofu is high in protein and contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. It also provides fats, carbs, and a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.